Hello everyone, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the Christmas song, Hark the Herald, Angels Sing. So I'll go ahead and play the song for you now, and then afterwards we'll break it down into more detail. So let's get started.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies, with angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ by highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of the favored one. Veiled in flesh, the Godhead see, hail the incarnate deity, pleased as man with men to dwell. Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Hail the heaven-born Prince of Peace, hail the Son of righteousness. Light and life to all he brings, risen with healing in his wings. Mild he lay his glory by, born that man no more may die, born to raise the sons of earth, born to give them second birth. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
So for this song, we're using 5 chords from the C chord family. We're using the C chord, the F over C chord, the G chord, A minor 7, and D minor. Now I'm playing this song with the capo on the 2nd fret, and using the C chord family, that puts the song in the key of D. That's just for my sake, for singing it. If it's too high for you, you can always remove it. You can shift that capo around to fit your singing. Now for the F over C chord, you could use the traditional F if you want, but I like to use that F over C in the C chord family. It just fits nicely in there and makes transitioning a lot easier. So to transition from a C to F over C, all we're doing is we're putting our pinky down on the 3rd fret of the D string, and then we're dropping our 2nd finger down a string, and that's your F over C. So you don't have to bar anything for that chord. It's a nice, easy chord to use in the C chord family. For the strumming, we're using the folk pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with up strums added after beat 3 and 4. We also want to make sure to just pluck the first note of the chord for the first beat of each measure. So for the C chord, for instance, our first note of that chord is going to be the A string, okay? So we don't want to play that low E string. We can use our thumb to come across the top and mute it. That way it doesn't resonate while we strum. So that strum pattern would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1. You want to keep in mind that for the D minor chord, we want to start our strumming on the D string, so the E and the A string are not part of that chord. All right, if you want to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website where you can download that. If you enjoy this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.